Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. It's very easy and one step process. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to just go to search bar and type your device manager. And from the search results, click here to open it. You can also open it device manager from the start icon. Just right click on it and click on device manager. Once we're here, we need to expand the keyboards, then right click here, select properties. Now on this window we need to select drivers tab. Now click on update driver. So here we will get two options. You can select one of them. Select the first one, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed. If this not work, you can choose second option, browse my computer for drivers, then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select the model and click on next. Once done, we need to simply restart our system to fix this issue. So you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.